Hi. This week we are going to be reading this article called Thanking Hospital Workers. So we'll read it together. Hospital workers are very busy now. They are helping many sick people. Hospital workers work in hospitals. A hospital worker may be a doctor, nurse, janitor, or cafeteria worker. Hospital workers help people feel better. A hospital worker may do surgery, take a temperature, or make a hospital clean. People can thank hospital workers. May 10th to the 16th is National Hospital Week. This week celebrates hospital workers. We're not going to do that one. Okay, so let's review what we just read. Hospital workers are very busy right now, and they're taking care of many sick people because, especially now, because of the coronavirus that's happening. Um, and also, people get sick from the flu, people feel sick from many things, but something that's happening right now that's especially busy, making them busy, is the virus. And they work in hospitals. So hospital workers are like doctors, nurses, janitors, someone who works in the cafeteria, and they try to help people feel better. They might do a surgery or take your temperature to make sure you're not feeling sick, or make sure the hospital is clean so that nothing dirty um, or nothing can infect others. And so we really want to thank hospital workers. And so when you guys read this article, which will be, it will be right after National Hospital Week. And that week is when we celebrate hospital workers.